Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So today's project is going to be a twofer. I am doing a tumbler that I hadn't tried yet, and then I also have a new turner that I am going to try for the first time, and I'm so excited. So what we have here is a 30-ounce modern curve tumbler, and I am going to take it out and spray it white, but I'm going to be doing the fishing lure technique, and you use a stocking on that to get that net look to it. So I already have it sprayed white and allowed it to dry for a couple hours, and I'm ready to get it prepared for the fluorescent colors that I have here on the table. I don't want to get my any oil off my hands on the cup, so I went ahead and put my gloves on, and now we're going to add the stocking, or this fishnet, whatever you want to call this. It is a fishnet sock is what it is. And then you pull it all the way up and make sure that you have it kind of tight so that it doesn't slip around on the cup. And then I'm going to put the football with my holder on it back into the cup and pull the fishnet up over and kind of tight, and then I'm going to secure it right here, just checking it out to make sure that it looks all right, that no place is stretched more than the other. I'm going to put a rubber band around the whole thing here at the top, and then I'm going to take it out and try to blend these colors one into the other, and then I want to leave just a small sliver of white that would be like the belly of the fish, which is usually, kind of a lighter color. And that also would be a great place that you could put, like, personalize it for a name. So the colors I'm going to be using is Crayon, Florescent Orange, pink, yellow, and green. And I'm just going to put a strip of each color down, and like I said, try to blend them into each other and see what we can do with it. I don't know how that bottom of the sock is going to work, but we'll just go with it. So I have it sprayed, and I've removed the stocking off, and you can see down here, this is what I was talking about, where that part of that toe of the sock was at, but I will paint in those areas and let it go. Now this right here is what I'm so excited about. This right here is a brand new turner that I got from M&H Turners, and this one right here is 12 inches tall, and that's what really caught my attention, was the fact how tall it was, because I've been looking for something that I could do the little dog bowls on, but that is not all. This thing is so stinking cool. You see this little knob right here that I'm turning and turning and turning. This is amazing. Okay, we'll turn it a little bit more, and there it is. Okay, it turns straight up. You guys, This is a game changer. I'll bring my camera around so that you can see. It has a really good base on it. You can see how wide it is under my mat there. And it's very sturdy. But look at this. It can go straight up. You can do the bottom of your cups if you're using glitter or whatever. And look, it turns while it's in this position. And not only does it turn, but it turns both directions. So it is so neat. I'm just thrilled with it. Now it comes with the, I'm going to show you exactly how tall it is. It's 12 inches right there, but you can see I'll be able to clear handles. I'll be able to put a bowl on there, and it's just cool. But it comes with 2 of the little arms there, and I'm going to show you this too because this is different than any one that of my other turners. See that down in there? That is a high-powered magnet. And then you slip it over the end here, and when it gets to that, it pulls it into it. And you see that right there? It's not going anywhere. Now, it did not have a end on it like the football, so I'm going to try the football first on this, but I'm not sure that that's going to work. I have my resin ready, and it is the Florescent resin 1-to-1 ratio, and this one does turn faster than my other ones. So instead of just dribbling my resin on, I'm going to put it on with my finger, dipping it in, and then wiping it on the cup. And I can already tell that the football's not going to work. So what I did was I took a pool noodle and I covered it with some tape and taped it directly onto the arm. And now I'm going to put my cup back on and see how this works. So I haven't put resin on the bottom of the cup yet, so it's all good. And then turn it on and just see if it slips any. And it looks like it's working fine. I'm going to adjust it just a tad downward. I think it's going to work, y'all. Looking good. So I'm going to heat the resin up that's already on the cup and smooth it back out. And then I'm going to let it turn. And now this has turned and cured for over 24 hours. And I have my decals ready. And this is vinyl that I've cut on the Cricut to get the design. And I'm going to put one on each side, and then of course the eyes on each side. But it turned out great. And right here is where I was talking about we could personalize it and put somebody's name on it. So I think it's cool, and I am just thrilled with that tumbler. I will leave the link to their website or their page down below, and y'all, it's worth every penny. That they have them in different sizes. They have them in multiple turners as well. So go and check them out and let them know I sent you. And because I am just thrilled with mine. I think they're absolutely wonderful. And it's a husband and wife team. They're a small business just starting out, and her husband came up with that idea. So it's really unique, and they've done a great job with making those. So we're going to pull the backing off of our transfer tape, and we're going to I want to put these towards the bottom because I got to have room for that big old eye. So probably right here, trying to kind of center it also with the color change there on the top. So we get the eye on there. I think it'll work just fine right there. Okay, and I got the other side on, and it's looking good. I like it. Now this right here is a holographic, it looks like a fish hook on one end, and then the top of it looks like a fish. So I want to put it over the bottom here, just as a added little design element, and also to help dress up the bottom of it, since I did have to hand paint those little dots on there. And there it is. So I'm going to put another layer of resin on this, let it set, and bring you back and let you see what it looks like when it's finished. I think it's looking good. I love trying new techniques. And here it is, all ready to go. I love those colors. It looks so good. Turned out great. I'm going to get a different, I'm probably going to cut the toe off of that stocking. You can also reuse those stockings, so if you try this technique, you can remember that you can reuse them. So, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click like and share. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you click that subscribe button now and ring that bell next to it, you'll get notifications when I upload future videos. And I want to tell you how much I appreciate you watching my videos. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below. This technique can be used in different colors. It doesn't have to necessarily be these colors, but I just happen to like the way this one looked with all the different bright colors on it. And a list of everything that I used will be in the description box below, and along with my Etsy shop links and other social media, so you can check those out too. And I want to tell you how much I appreciate that, because you are helping me grow, and I am so thankful for that. So I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.